Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. It's been a while since I made a video here. I had a notification pop up on my phone and it was some positive news story for Genius Group, and I was like, looking at the headline and I was like, man, this must be another scam news story because I know this company is garbage, their financials are garbage, they're just completely draining their investors of all their money, and you can see it right here, all time. If you would have bought Genius Group through all the reverse splits and all the nonsense that's been going on, they used to be worth, reverse split, if you consider the reverse splits that have been happening, $80 a share, and now they're down to $1.37. So all-time investors have lost pretty much 100% of their investment. It kind of almost looks like a Mullen Automotive chart if you look at that max or that all-time return here. And when I was covering I used to cover this stock and make videos on almost a daily basis, and if you go back and watch those videos, I called out a short on this thing way back then because I just looked at them, I looked at their financials, I just knew they were garbage and they were just going to continue to bleed money. And a lot of people came into the videos and they were making comments and lighting me up and saying, oh, how's your short position working out? And I was like, actually, I'm doing great, because I had a little pump off of a scam that the CEO tried to pull. He tried to do that ERL spinoff thing and, this digital, spinoff of this company, and the shorts can't get it. And I don't know, he tried to pull the same scam that other companies have pulled, and it didn't work out. It was a complete failure, and as you can see, the stock price has just continued to decline. And, when I looked at this thing, I think it was 2 weeks ago or something, I want to say they were around like 14 cents a share, and I'm like, man, these freaking GNS bulls are just getting obliterated. And then I saw the $1.37 price just now, and I go back and look, they just did a reverse split, and it sounds like they have plans to do more reverse splits. So with their plan here to do more reverse splits, and just looking at their crappy financials, these people holding shares of GNS are going to continue to get blasted. They're going to continue to lose money because it's a garbage company, and like whenever people finally realize it, they're probably going to go bankrupt. I mean, that's my guess here. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't look into the future, but just looking at what's going on here and this massive dump and decline in price, I mean, eventually I think people are going to probably give up on this crappy company, and it's probably going to go bankrupt, because if you are somebody that's been holding shares of this company, it's pretty sad. Your account must look pretty bad when it comes to this ticker and when it comes to the stock. So I just had to make an update out there, and to all you bulls out there that were calling me out and saying, I'm getting lit up, and oh man, the bulls are blowing me up and my short position sucks. Actually, it worked out great, because when he did that little scam, the CEO did that little scam and did that little pump and dump, that's where I took my opportunity to short, and this thing has just absolutely collapsed and tanked since then. So expect this kind of price action that we're seeing right here to continue, because they just keep bleeding money. And I keep seeing these positive news stories, and it's just all a scam. They put this positive spin on these news stories and they sucker people in to buy in the stock, and then the value just drops. So it's just heading towards zero. Bulls here and people holding the stock long term are getting absolutely obliterated, and I just think it's funny that these people have conned themselves, listening to the CEO and listening to this company say all this stuff, and it's like, yeah, look at the returns. Look at the return on investment. When you think you're going to get rich off of some crappy penny stock, this is usually what happens to you right here. You end up losing pretty much 100% of your investment. So just want to provide an update here on GNS. It's still crap, guys. All you bulls out there that were, talking trash on my videos, you're wrong. You were wrong back then, and you're still wrong today. And you're going to continue to be wrong as you lose 100% of your investment. Talk to you guys soon.